This man right here invented soft washing. Introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm AC Lockyer with Soft Wash Systems.
The inventor of soft washing is gonna give us a full truck tour right now. Before you get into that, how much can one of these trucks exactly like this produce per year?
This truck right here has a capacity of $480,000 a year.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Awesome. Give us the tour of it.
Yeah, so if we work left to right like you would write, first of all, right here is our Blend 6X module, and our Blend 6X module is our actual soft washing module. And it blends together water, sodium hypochlorite, and different soaps and conditioners into a soft washing solution that we spray on a building that not only cleans the building, but it actually sanitizes it. Third-party tested and proven, 99.8% free of algae, mold, mildew, lichens, bacteria, viruses, and get you a completely sanitized surface. Next to it is our Rinse DC Plus. And that Rinse DC Plus there is a high volume rinse. It's not a pressure washer. We do have one of those on the system, but it's a high volume rinse. It rinses away the soft washing solution and all of the grime and dirt and mold and mildew and things that are on the surface. And it rinses that with completely battery power. It has on it also our plant wash system, because we are using bleach, and bleach is a caustic, and bleach will burn plants. It has a neutralizer, so you're able to dial in by our sight gauge there the appropriate amount of plant wash to spray on the plants and neutralize those so that you don't kill plants when you're soft washing. Next to that, in the C position here,
Question for you.
ABC. Yeah.
Sorry. So it's not just pure water that you're using, it's a different compound for.
Yeah, so this is regular raw water to rinse, and then we can dial in the plant wash solution so that you can rinse all the plants and neutralize the chemicals on the plants.
So it's really cool.
Yep.
Most guys just throw water down.
Most people put water on, the
Yeah.
plants still die because they don't realize you're sterilizing the soil, you're killing the aerobic bacteria. There's a lot more science to it.
I didn't know that.
People say,
Yeah.
man, AC treats this like it's rocket science. Yeah, guess what? It's rocket science.
Yeah.
It really is.
Cool.
And so right next to it, the C position here, we do have the dreaded no-no blaster. And so we do have a pressure washer on this machine because we do some flat surface cleaning of driveways. Every once in a while, we'll get a wood fence or a wood deck that does need the dead wood exfoliated off of it. So we do have some particular uses that we do use a pressure washer for, about 2 to 3% of the time when we're cleaning. So it's enough to go ahead and have it up on the truck. Then next to it here, we have a pure water window cleaning system, and that is our Phantom Shadow RODI 80 Auto. And that's a high volume pure water system for doing water fed pull work on windows, but also to spot-free rinsing beadboard ceilings, spot-free rinsing highly glossed painted surfaces, highly glossed stonework, things like that that you want to dry spot-free. So all those here on our 72-inch skid. We have our 3 different brushes, one for windows, one for siding and gutters, one for wood and like concrete, things like that, different pole holders.
And you can just pull that off and it's already connected to the hose?
Well, this here is already pulled off, and we use these as scrubbing brushes. This one here, you connect to a hose with a pure water window cleaning brush.
But it just all connects right to the truck.
It just quick connects on here on the back,
Yeah.
right here with our hoses. So if you come to the back of the truck, it's very, very fun. And so for those 4 different modules, we have 4 different hose reels. So we have our soft wash reel here. These are all Stingray hose reels. We manufacture these in-house. And so they are actually ID'd here on the actual hose guides that come off of them. So you have your soft wash reel, your rinsing reel that also applies the plant wash. We have our pure water reel here for doing the spot-free rinsing, but you can also click in your pure water pole and do your pure water window cleaning. And then we do have our pressure wash. They're all colored. They all actually match. If you look here on the ends, a blue hose guide with a blue 6-shooter on the end. So there's business systems on our soft washing system. And power wash is red. Why? Because red for danger. You can damage things. This entire system, except for the pressure washer, is 100% fossil fuel free, battery powered. We have been battery powered since 1992.
It's crazy.
So we were country before country was cool.
Yeah.
Yep. And so we've been doing all this. All this meets with the CE certification. So it's all CE certified. We sell these systems all over the world. If you come to the back side here, we've got some of our sample chemicals, but you'll notice here, just above the sample chemicals, you'll see that we have 6 small tanks here. And these are the 6 tanks that carry our Restore shingle conditioner and wood conditioner, our Green Wash, which is our antimicrobial surfactant, our Terra Wash, which is our biodegradable detergent degreaser, our Final Wash, which is our hydrophobic finishing soap that makes glass and buildings hydrophobic, our Rain Fresh, which is our scent that we use to cover up the smell of bleach and the dead algae smell afterwards.
That's cool.
And then our Plant Wash that we spray on all the plants goes in this tank. Everything on this truck is super easily accessible. You can stand on the ground and maintain and load and work on this entire truck. All fits in the back of an 8-foot truck so that you have the toolbox here. We keep lockable storage actually in the cab in the back seat area. Then any acid-based chemicals go in this toolbox separated from the bed of the truck, because all the chemicals that are back here are caustic-based, so you can't mix acids and caustics together. So this whole thing is load plan. It adheres to DOT standard, OSHA standard, CE standard. It's really a business system inside of a cleaning system.
And you got your
flat surface cleaner.
Yep.
All of our cartridges. This entire system you can maintain standing on the ground on your own 2 feet. You don't have to climb up on top of it or anything.
So you got your ladder rack on top too. It's perfect. It's the dream setup.
It is. I spent many years dreaming about this. I do not build anything that I would not use myself. And so this is my dream system.
Yeah, there's not a single thing that's not thought about. Yeah. That's really cool. The inventor of soft washing, an absolute pleasure to have you on here.
Thank you.
I'll link to his stuff down below as well on the YouTube and some of the products. Thank you very much.